Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Yamaha FZ6. This bike's got a little over 15,000 miles on it, and it is in overall very good condition. We're going to take a walk around it, and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. As you can see, the front end is in good shape. It's got a dark tinted windscreen on it. It's got a good front tire on it. It has aftermarket adjustable levers, aftermarket grips and bar ends. It also comes with frame sliders. Tank's in good shape, no big dents, scratches, chips, anything like that. It does have twin Scorpion exhaust on it. It also has an integrated tail with a fender eliminator. Has a good back tire on it as well. Again, there's the frame slider. It's been tipped over very lightly on this side. You can see it's got a scrape on the engine cover. Again, adjustable levers, grips, bar ends. $15,120 is what's on it. This Yamaha will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.